Students, welcome to the class. In today's lecture, I am going to explain the solution of Laplace equation uh, using in the previous classes, I did with the direct 5-point formula. Now, in today's class, we'll explain how to use the iteration method, 5-point formula with the iterations. As same problem, I'm going to explain with iteration method. Yes. Before that, just recall the formulas. The standard 5-point formula is given by uij equal to 1 by 4 ui minus 1 comma j plus ui plus 1 comma j plus ui comma j minus 1 plus ui j plus 1. And diagonal 5-point formula is uij equal to 1 by 4 ui minus 1 comma j plus 1 plus ui plus 1 comma j plus 1 plus ui minus 1 comma j minus 1 plus ui plus 1 comma j minus 1. Preferably, we are going to use standard 5-point formula. Whenever it is not possible to find the value using standard 5-point formula, then we use the diagonal 5-point formula. Whenever there are two or more than two unknowns when using the standard 5-point formula, then if constant or boundary values are available, then constant values, then we use the diagonal 5-point formula. Yes. Now, once we use 5-point formula, then those are the initial values. Whatever values you are going to find, those are called as initial values. Now, to get better accuracy, in the direct method, we stopped using once either 5-point formulas. Yes. Now, to get better accuracy, we need to repeat the process. That's what is called as a Liebmann's iteration process. For that iteration process, we use the standard 5-point formula repeatedly. The general form is given by this one. It is uij raised to n plus 1 is equal to 1 by 4 ui minus 1 comma j n plus 1 plus ui plus 1 comma j n plus ui j plus 1 n plus 1 plus ui j minus 1 n. What it means, if I want for the first iteration means I have to put n as 0. First iteration ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ನಾ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ 5-point ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು 0 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟರೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ n ಅನ್ನ 0 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. Yes, to get first iteration, I need to put n as 0. When you put n as 0, what happens? uij1 means u1. What is our aim? For 9 mesh problem, u1, u2, u3, u4 will be given. So, we need to write 4 expressions, u1, u2, u3, u4. Understood? For first iteration, I need to find u1 of 1, u2 of 1, u3 of 1 and u4 of 1. Understood? Now, for u1 of 1, when you put n as 0, u1 of 1 it becomes then 1 by 4 here ui minus 1 comma j. Yes, whatever those diagonal or 5-point formula you used and write the this expression in the initial stage, you use that. Here I am talking about powers. U n plus 1 means u 0 plus 1 s plus u of 0 plus u of n plus 1 u1 plus u of 0. So in the when you use the initial condition, these will either constants or 0. U of 0 means what? U of 0 means you have to use the values in the initial condition, initial process. Initially ನಾವೇನು u1 u2 u3 u4 ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. u0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಅದಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? u1 of 1. Yes, first iteration value. Next u2 ನಲ್ಲಿ you are going to use previous values. Initially ಏನು values ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು plus ಇದು u1 of 1. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ u1 ಮತ್ತೆ u2 ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ the immediate iterated values in the next formulas. That's it. So we'll solve the same problem in the last class what we have solved using direct 5-point formula. That I'm going to solve in today's class. Okay, now let us see the example. This was the example what we have solved in the last class. Yes, now we are going to solve this using iteration method because they have asked you to find the values correct up to 2 decimal places. Means we have to iterate the process. You have to find the values up to they are equal up to 2 consecutive values will be equal up to 2 decimal places. Yes. First, as I said, we need to find the values of u1, u2, u3, u4. You are given with the boundary condition. These are all boundary conditions, and we need to find these mesh value u1, u2, u3, u4. To find these values, just one thing you have to observe. I need to find use standard 5-point formula and diagonal formula. As u1 ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 5-point formula ಪ್ರಕಾರ right value, left value, upper and lower value. As u1 is just when observe u1, what happens here? u2, u3, two unknowns you have. As u1, u2, u3, u4 all values are unknown for us. As ಯಾವುದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈಗ u1 ಗೆ ನಾನು 5-point ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡು ಅನ್ನೋನ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, u2 ಮತ್ತೆ u3 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ 0 ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, let us, I am going to take u4 as 0 here. And when I consider u1, then if I want to apply 5-point formula, what happens? u2 and u3 ಎರಡು unknown ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಏನಿದೆ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ u1 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ u1 ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಇದು ಲೋವರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಇದು 0, ಇದು u2 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಇವಾಗ ಎರಡು ಅನ್ನೋನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್, ಇಫ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಇದೆ 1, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇದು 2 ಇದೆ, ಈ ಸೈಡು ಲೋವರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0, ಇನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ u4 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಈಗ ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಅಮಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ 4 ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಒನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಸ್ 0. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ u4 as 0. ನಾನು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ u4 ನ 0 ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, u1 ಗೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನೇನು ಈಗ u1 ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 0, 1, 2 ಮೂರು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, u4 ನ 0 ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ u1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ. u1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ u2 ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, u2 ಗೆ ನೀನು, ನಾವು u1 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, u4 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ 5-point ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಎಸ್, ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ತಪ್ಪೇನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ 5-point ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. 5-point ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಈಗ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅವಾಗ ಅದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ by taking u4 as 0. ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ತಗೋಬಹುದು, u1, u2, u3, u4 ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು 0 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಆಯ್ತಾ. Now, as I said, I'm going to find u1. So what is the formula? 1/4. What I said, I'm going to apply diagonal 5-point formula. So according to diagonal 5-point formula, so it is 1 s, first left side diagonal 0.1, then right side it is 2, plus left down 0, plus right down it is u4. Okay, now 1/4, 1 plus 2, u4 ಏನಿದೆ 1 plus 2 plus 0, u4 is 0. Yes, 3/4. What will be the value? Use the calc. So it will be 0.75. What I used? I have used diagonal 5-point formula. This is for our convenience. ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ we don't have, if you use 5-point formula ನಮಗೆ ಎರಡು ಅನ್ನೋನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ, ಅನ್ನೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ 5-point formula ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ u2, 1/4, u2 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ u1, ರೈಟ್ 2, ಅಪ್ಪರ್ 2, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ u4. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯು ನೋ, ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ 5-point formula. ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್, ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ u2 ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಅಪ್ಪರ್ದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ 2, ರೈಟ್ 2, ಲೋವರ್ದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ u3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. u3 ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬರೋದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ u2 ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ 5-point formula, because here you are getting u3 as a diagonal value, you don't know value of u3. Okay, So you have to use standard 5-point formula only. Okay. Now it is 2 plus 2 plus u1 plus u4. Yes. So 1 by 4, 2 plus 2. u1 ಏನು ಇವಾಗ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 0.75. ಎಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ u4 ಏನು ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 0. Okay. So now simplify. 4.75 divided by 4. Simplify it and you will get 1.1875. Minimum ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ 2 ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ರೈಟ್ 3 or 4 decimals. Yes. Now u4, u3. So u3 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? u3 ಗಿನು when you use u3 5-point ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ u1 u4 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ನೀವು ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ u2 ದೇರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ u2 ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಎಸ್ ಐ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ 5-point formula. Yes. So it is 0 u1 plus u4 plus 0. So it is 1 by 4. u1 is 0.75. u4 is 1.1875. So it's equal to 0.75 plus 1.1875 divided by 4. Sorry. Made a mistake. 175 and u4 is 0 here. So it is 0.75 divided by 4. 0.187. So u3 is u1 plus u4. u4 is 0. 0.75 divided by 4 is 0.1875. Yes. Next, u4. u4 is 1 by 4. So then u4 is u3 plus u2 plus 2 plus 0. So 1 by 4. You know all the values. u3 is 0.1875. u2 is 1.1875 plus 2. Add them, divide by 4. You will get 0.8437. So what are these? These are all initial values. Therefore, initial values are u1. What is u1? u1 is 0.75. u2 1.1875. u3 0.1875. u4 0.8437. These are the initial value. Now, using these initial value, now we want to improve this, because I want to check when in the next iteration I must get same values. Then only you can stop. So up till you get a 2 consecutive answer decimal places, they are equal. You have to write the iteration. For the iteration process, we have to use that general formula of 5-point formula. Yes. So what is that? To find accuracy, now to get better accuracy of U1, U2, U3, U4. We make use of Liebmann's iteration process. Yes, this is the formula. As I said, now I want next value for u of n plus 1. Yes, u1 of n plus 1 is equal to 1 by 4. What is u1 value? What we have got 1 plus 2. Yes, use the standard 5-point formula. Yes, that is what you that is standard 5-point formula. What will be the u1 formula now? u1 is 0 plus u2 plus u3 plus 2. Yes, so 0 plus 2 plus u2 plus u3. I want n plus 1 to n plus 1 means I need to enter previous values, initial values. Yes, initial values and then here u2n plus u3 raised to n. This is how to write the formula. Use a standard 5-point formula to write all the values. Yes, this is u1 n plus 1. Next u2 n plus 1. According to standard 5-point formula for u2, 1 by 4, what it is? u1 n, now you got u1. So u1 already you know in the first iteration. That's why for this you have to write un plus 1. Yes, plus right side it is 2 plus upper side 2 plus down it is u4. So u4 you still don't know, you have to use initial values u4 n. Next u3 of n plus 1. u3 of n plus 1 is what? 1 by 4. You have to write for all the standard formulas, general formulas first. Then go on substituting n values. For u3 it is 0 plus u4 of n plus upper value u1 of n plus 1, because we will get 1 here. That's why 0. Next u4 of n plus 1 is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 u4 ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಾ? u3 ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕೈತಿ. ಸೊ u3 n plus 1 plus right side it is 2 plus u2 upper side. u2 already ಮಾಡಿರಿ. So you have to use the previous iteration only. Fresh iteration. u2 n plus 1 already ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕದ, ಅದು available is 0. Understood? These are the standard one. Now put n equal to 0. When you put n equal to 0, that will be your first iteration. So first iteration ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅವಾಗ? n 0 ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ u1 of 1 s LHS. So 1 by 4, 0 plus 2. So I'll write it as 2 plus u2 of 0 plus u3 of 0. 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ initial values. Initial ನೀವು ಈಗ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. So 2 plus u2 of 0 ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ initial values. So u2 ಏನು? 1 plus 1.75 plus u3 ಏನು? 0.187. Simplified. So when you simplify it, what happens? You will get 0.8437. Yes, check using scientific calculator. Now next u2 of 1. u2 of 1 equal to 1 by 4. ಇವಾಗಲೇ ಏನು ಬರ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಮೇಲೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? u1 of n plus 1. n ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1. u1 of 1 2 plus 2 plus u4 of n. u4 of n ಏನು? 0. Yes, 1 by 4. U1 of 1 already ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ 0.8437. If you want, you can write it 2 plus 2, 4 plus U4 of 0 ಏನಿದೆ U4 of 0 ಅಂದರೆ initial value. ಇದು 0.8437. Yes. So it is 0.8437. So add and divide. So what happens? 1.4218. Now write U3. U3 of n plus 1. N is 0. So U3 of 1. 1 by 4. 0 ಇದೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ. U4 of n ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 plus U1 of n plus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ U1 of 1. So 1 by 4. U4 of 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು 8.837. 0.83 ಸಾರಿ 0.8437. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗೈತೆ. 0.8437. ಇದು 0.8437 ಪ್ಲಸ್ U1 of 1 ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 0.8437. Then when you simplify it, you'll get 0.4218. Next, U4 of 1. U4 of 1 is equal to 1 by 4. U3 of 1 n0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ plus 2 plus U2 of 1. 1 by 4. 2 plus U3 of 1 is previous value 0.4218. Next previous value 1.4218. ಇದೇ ಎರಡು ಹಿಂದಿನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Simplify it. So you will get 0.9609. These are the values after first iteration. Yes. Now second iteration ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ? Put n as 1. When you put n as 1, it becomes 2, 2, 2, 2. Then ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ 1 ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ, 1 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ 2 ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಇಟರೇಷನ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Till you get a accuracy. Yes. This will perform second iteration. Second iteration. Yes. For the second iteration, what will be your formulas? U1 of 2. Yes, U1 of 2 will be 1 by 4, 2 plus U2 of 1, previous value, U3 of 1. Yes, 1 by 4, 2 plus U2 of 1 ಏನು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು? 1.4218 plus U3 of 1. U3 of 1 ಏನಿತ್ತು? 0.4218. So ಏನಾಯ್ತದು? When you simplify it, your answer will be for U1 of 2. It is 0.9609. Next, U2 of 2. U2 of 2 formula ಏನು? 1 by 4, 4 plus U1 of 2 plus U4 of 1, previous value. 1 by 4, 4 plus, you might have observed U1 of 1 next iteration, previous iteration U4 value ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. So U1 of 2 is what? 0.96 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆ previous value 9609 plus U4 of 1 ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 0.9609. ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So when you simplify it, you will get U2 of 2 as 1.4804. Now U3 of 2, 1 by 4, U4 of 1 plus U1 of 1. 1 by 4, U4 ಮತ್ತೆ U1 of 1 ಅಲ್ಲ U1 of 2 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ U1 ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿವಿ. ಇದೇ ಎರಡು, ಓನ್ಲಿ 4 ಇರಲ್ಲ. So previous values only, instead of only 4 will not be there. So add these two and divided by 4, you will get it as 0.4804. Also you might have observed in the previous also, U3 and U2 only plus 1 is different. Yes, U4 of 2 1 by 4 formula ಏನು 2 plus U3 of 1 plus U3 of 2 plus U2 of 2. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ previous values ಅದೇ 1 by 4 2 plus U3 ಏನು 0.4804 U2 ಏನು 1.4804. So add these two divided by 4, you will get this as 0.9902. Understood? This is second iteration. Next, for third iteration. Now, why we need to continue? Because in the second iteration 0.9609 U1. Yes, in the previous one, what is U1? U1 will be U1. It was 0.8437. Now it is 0.96. No similar. First decimal is also not similar. That's why we have to continue. Yes. Now for U1 of 3, you have to put n as here, n as 2, here n as 1, equal to 1 by 4 2 plus U2 of 2 plus U3 of previous values. 1 by 4 2 plus U2 of 2 is 1.4804 plus U3 of 2 is 0.4804. Simplify it, you will get what you are going to get. This is the same value formula. Understood? Just observe U4 of 2 and U1 both are same. That's why you will get same value. Next, U2 of 3 1 by 4 4 plus U1 of 3 plus U4 of 2 1 by 4 4 plus U1 of 3 ಏನು ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 0.9902 plus U4 of 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ previous 0.9902 ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಬಂದಿರ್ತವೆ. So add them with 4 and divide by 4. What you are going to get? You are going to get it as U2 of 3, third iteration. So you will get it as 1.4951. You calculate along with me. Yes. Now U3 of 3, that is equal to 1 by 4. This one formula is U4 of 2 plus U1 of 3. So it is 1 by 4. These two value only 0.9902 plus 0.9902. So you are going to get U3 of 3 as 0.4951. U4 of 3 1 by 4 2 plus U3 of your previous value U3 of 3 U2 of 3. So 1 by 4 2 plus U3 of 3. U3 of 3 0.4951 plus U2 of 3 1.4951. So when you simplify it, you are going to get U4 is 0.9975. Again, when you compare these values, just check. It is 0.9902 U1. No? Here it is 0.96. So these are not, they are equal up to only first decimal place. This is 1.48. Here it is 1.49. Understood? They are not equal up to 2 decimal places. That's why you need to continue fourth iteration. So fourth iteration, The fourth iteration we have to put n as 3. So when you put n as 3, it is u1 of 4. 1 by 4, 2 plus u2 of 3 plus u3 of 3. So it is 1 by 4, 2 plus u2 of 3 is what? 1.4951, 1.495. The same value. So you are going to get 0.9975. u1 of, u2 of 4, that is 1 by 4, 4 plus u1 of 4 plus u4 of 3. 1 by 4, u1 of 4 is 0.9975. I left 4 plus 4 plus this is also 0.997 u4. So when you simplify it, you are going to get u2 of 4 as 1.4987. Yes. Next, u3 of 4 is 1 by 4, u4 of 3 plus u1 of 3, u1 of 4. That's only this two. So it is 1 by 4, 0.9975 plus 0.9975. When you go on practicing solving the example, this will be very easy to you. For the first problem, you will get confused, but when you practice one or twice, this will be easy. You will know the technique. So when you simplify this, you are going to get it as 0.4987. Then last u4 of 4, so it is 1 by 4, 2 plus u3 of 4 plus u2, 1 by 4, it is 2 plus 1.4987 plus 0.4987. When you simplify it, you are going to get it as 0.9993. Now, check first, before moving, first check third and fourth iteration values. In third iteration, you have got u1 as 0.9902, u2 here u1 as 0.9975. They asked up to only two decimal places. So 0.99, 0.99 is same. Next 1.4951, here 1.49 is, that is also satisfied. Next it is 0.4951 and here also it is 0.49 is up to two decimal place they are same. Here 0.9975, 0.9993, but our work is just to check up to two decimal places they are equal. Yes, they are equal. That's why, therefore, from third and fourth iteration, u1, u2, u3, u4 are equal up to two decimal places. Hence, required values are u1 is equal to 0.99, u2 is equal to 1.49, u3 is equal to 0.49 and u4 is equal to 0.99. Yes, these are the required value of your example. Yes, these are the required values. So, this is how to find the given values of u1, u2, u3, u4 using iteration method. Now, just compare this with your standard 5-point formula direct method what I solved in the previous class. Yes, last lecture. There what we have got using 5-point formula method directly. U1 we got it as 1. Yes, and U2 we have got it as 1.50. U3 we got it as 0.5 and U4 we got it as 1. Yes, direct method ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ type values ಬರ್ತಾವು. Iteration method ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ these are a little bit nearest values. Yes, for your answers. That's it. Since they have mentioned up to 2 decimal places, we have to prefer to solve this example using whatever I told now, explaining that method you have to prefer using iteration process. Yes, on your request, I solve this example once again. Practice this. Still, if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box or communicate with me. Till then, practice. Take care. Thank you.